Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, the Kenya Revenue Authority KRA has announced a waiver on interest and penalties for late filing of income tax returns following a system hitch on June 30, 2025. In a public notice issued on July 1st, the KRA stated that the system experienced technical challenges due to a high volume of users attempting to file returns on the deadline day. The authority also extended the deadline for filing taxes to July 5th, 2025. The disruption affected return filing and payment services, leaving many taxpayers unable to submit their returns on time. I quote, due to the high volume of taxpayers attempting to file their returns on 30th June 2025, the system experienced technical difficulties which disrupted the normal functioning of the return filing and payment services, preventing a number of taxpayers from submitting their returns on time. Cognizant of the challenges faced by taxpayers during the period and taking into account the provisions of Section 89.5A and B of the Tax Procedures Act, KRA assures the public that will undertake to waive any interest or penalties that may accrue due to late filing of the end year returns for the year of income ending 31st December 2024, provided that such returns are filed by 5th July 2025. End of quote. Reads part of notice by KRA. The extension follows Monday's one-day extension that was said to end at midnight on Tuesday. The taxman acknowledged the overwhelming turnout and praised Kenyans for their patriotism and trust in the tax system. The authority noted that the massive engagement showed citizens' commitment to fulfilling their tax obligations. KRA encouraged taxpayers to take advantage of the extension and submit both returns and any due taxes before the new deadline. The tax agency emphasized that the extension only applies to taxpayers who were affected by the technical delays. It urged all Kenyans to act quickly to avoid further complications. The Commissioner General urged the public to file their returns via the official KRA portal and reassured them of continued support in the filing process. The extension comes as a relief to many Kenyans who were left frustrated by the system breakdown during the final hours of the tax filing period. KRA has not provided further details on the cause of the glitch, but has moved swiftly to prevent penalties for those affected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news updates.